couple ways to start a scenario. We're going to start with a webhook. So it'll trigger when a webhook receives data, and we'll talk about what a webhook is here in a little bit. So we're going to add a new one, and this one's going to be demo meal planner start, and we're just going to hit save. Okay, so it gives us this. We're going to copy this to the address board because look, it's looking to see where that webhook is. So we're just going to open a new window. We're going to paste, hit enter. It's been accepted. And see, now it's been successfully determined. We'll hit save and go ahead and move that over. Now this gets a little, I'm going to copy the webhook. I'm going to click run once to test it. And now it's looking for that webhook. So I'm going to go in another window and I'm just going to paste the webhook in there and you're going to see it trigger. Boom, I see